Is this edge okay? Since we do not have a connecting loop here, neither a tail here, so we cannot connect it just like cursive writing. Making a very heighted edge also needs to be avoided, wherein you see it is crossing the red bar. Making very fat loop here. If you look at this alphabet, for example, I'm writing S, and then if I use H like this, so there is no connectivity here, and this is just hanging in the air. So even this kind of formation of edge has to be avoided. 4 consecutive alphabets which are related to the formation of L. So switch on to these alphabets only when you are able to make perfect L. Starting with a slant line, taking a turn, coming down. This alphabet we are not going to make this curve. Cross it here and stop at the blue line. Just check that the crossing here is done at this point, which is almost between the 2 blue lines. So going up on the same line and making a curve and coming down. Pull out a tail. Making 4 such consecutive alphabets. So you have to ensure that all the 3 points are not meeting at this particular place, as you can see in this one. Though it is correct, but this gives a much neater look, okay, wherein this line is crossing here and this point is meeting here. So all the 3 points are not meeting at one point. So this one is going to give much better look than this one. Unknowingly, most of us land up making straight edge like this slant line, but most of us come down straight. So here you'll observe the crossing point is much above, okay, and then we go up straight and come down straight. So in case if you are writing cursive in straight pattern, this is okay, because in this case you are going to come down straight. So slant cursive, please observe, you are going to come down as back slant. This is the major difference. This is what is going to help you to make difference between slant and straight cursive, okay. So specifically you have to come down as back slant, then go up on the same line and then make a hoop. So this is the difference between slant and straight edge.
Know in comments whether you found the video useful enough, and if you like the explanation, do let us know what more topics are you looking for.
That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!